Oh, I forgot to take a video of this when I got home. But anyways, I've got this, it's a boiler. It works. It's a PVG-5. It was made in 2015. I got it at the auction for like 70 bucks. It came with all the fittings and the vents and all that. And then I got, well, other than the foot of snow, I've also got a crate full of radios that got full of snow because they had it sitting at the edge of their shelter, tarp shelter, so the snow blew in over the weekend. I got a chop saw, like a Makita metal chop saw that apparently works with the stand and everything for 60 bucks. I got that Tiger torch and a whole bunch of propane tanks, and then there's some other stuff down in this thing. There's like a big electrical breaker, some more of those lights, like the beacon lights, and then also in the box full of radios. I don't know if any of them are any good anyhow, but they're full of snow now. They're basically the same as all these. Oh, here, get a lay on. So basically the same as all these radios that I've, like, they're kind of obsolete, but still, you know, some people still use them. This one's actually probably a pretty good one. But yeah, there's a whole bunch of those in there, but I don't know whether that snow is going to do anything to them. So today's just been trying to get this stuff all out of there. It's that boiler was really heavy, but I decided just to back it up to the trailer and then slide it off on the trailer because you know, my shoulder, I shouldn't be lifting too much. So, but yeah, I gotta get the rest of the stuff unloaded here, and then I gotta get to work early because we're in a bit of a snowstorm coming. We got like 6 inches, I think, coming tonight, between tonight and tomorrow. So a little bit of overtime. Woohoo! Oh, so while I was getting the box of radios out, there's all this cord in here. I don't know what this stuff is, but this one looks like an extension cord. Like it's a I don't know what it is. Oh, actually, it might have the same pins as these things. But it looks like an extension cord. I'll have to clean it up when I get inside. But that's a big cord. Made in USA, 600 volt. Yeah, so it's an electrical cord, so that helps out the price. And then also in here, we got a bunch of these, which might come in handy for my deck when I get that deck on. There's 4 of them. That's pretty nice. I don't know what those are worth, but probably a couple of bucks anyhow. Okay, so that's the pile of radios. Vertex, that's Motorola makes them, I think. But anyways, I'm gonna leave them cold until I can get all that snow out of there, just in case they are salvageable. If not, I guess I'll be scrapping a bunch of radios. All right, so this was the jewelry lot. Jerry already took there was like a bunch of other rings that she wanted. These 2 are left. That's like a men's wedding band and a Knights of Columbus ring. The Knights of Columbus has a 10 in it. You can't see it. I have to take a photo of it and zoom it in, but and then the gold band, well, I assume it's gold, has nothing on it. Then there's like just weird stuff, like that's like a bracelet. This here from Venice. It's like a souvenir thing. Then these, I think, oh no, wait, where's the other one? I don't know. Oh, there it is there. Those are like clip-on earrings. This is, I don't know, costume jewelry. These are Christian Dior cufflinks. I don't know how you tell. I know there's, like, they're not magnetic, but that doesn't really mean anything, right? This is a cute little teddy bear. I don't know. It's very heavy. I can't imagine it's a necklace. Keychain, maybe? Maybe pewter or something. Lots of cufflinks. There's this old watch. I can't even tell what the name is on it. That's sterling. This one, oh yeah, and this one here is sterling as well. I don't know, but like there's tons of crosses. Well, that's not a cross. Oh. I don't know what that is. Truck nuts, maybe? I don't know. I have no idea what that is, but a pendant of some sort. An ankh. But yeah, so I don't know. I got this whole box for $20, plus there was like, this thing was full of rings. Like I said, Jerry grabbed those. She left the two that she wanted nothing to do with. But yeah, I don't know. There's some neat stuff. I don't know. I gotta get some sort of a gold testing kit. I ordered a jeweler's loop and a little UV magnifying thing or something to, I don't know, test jewelry or something. But and then I'll have to get a gold testing kit and see if any of this is gold. I imagine something's got to be gold, right? But a little bit of silver. This weird thing here, I don't know what it is. If I could pick it up. It's like it's got a little eye there for, I guess, a necklace. Maybe it's like some sort of a weird O, but I kind of think it's brass, but I don't know. This is kind of a nice thing too. It's like a hearts and infinity signs, but it has markings on it. I just can't see what they are. Some of it's so worn. There was another, oh yeah, these things here. I don't know what they are. And there's this, over here. These little things here, they're like an opal. They have a flat back. I don't think they're real opals though, like I don't know. Maybe. There was another thing that's like it in here. Oh, right here. That's kind of like them, but I don't know. Like, is that what real opals do? They just seem weird. They seem synthetic or something. But anyhow, that's part of my auction win. Not a great day for scrapping, but I was taking video of this. Anyways, I'm just gonna go out and show you what it is. Oh, I'll hop along there. They're looking for the squirrel. It was minus 13 when I got up. It was still dark, and then I thought, oh, I'll wait until the sun comes out and it'll warm up, but now it's like minus 15. It's supposed to be minus 21, so I got like these are like produce counter things or produce displays. So yeah, I'm gonna scrap these out. I just wanted to, I never noticed that. They're from the 1940s. McCray Refrigeration or McCray Refrigerators or something like that. But anyways, I got these for free. So these will be on an upcoming video. I'm just not going to be doing much today. My fingers are already cold just coming out here.